The area of a rectangle is 8 plus square root of 10 square centimeters. One of its sides has a length of square root of 5 plus square root of 2 centimeters. Determine the length of the other side in the form of this. So let me draw a diagram for you first. Now I have a rectangle. The area is 8 plus square root of 10 square centimeters. And one of the side length is this. So I don't know here or here, I just simply label here, it's okay. And then I'll try to think, how do we get the area of a rectangle? We take the length times the width, then we get the area, right? So write an equation for it. I don't know this, I just let it be, let's say, W centimeter. So W multiplied by this, you get the area, which is given by the questions, 8 plus square root of 10. Now, this is W times this one. So we want to find W, right? Bring it to another side, it becomes divide. Now we cannot stop here because the question asks us to give our answer in this form. So what do we need to do is to rationalize the denominator. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. So the conjugate of this one will be square root of 5 minus square root of 2. Do the same thing for the numerator and denominator. Okay, now for this part, we just expand it one by one. 8 times square root of 5, you will get, okay, let me use back this color. 8 times square root of 5, you get 8 times square root of 5. You don't have to do anything, just copy like this. So positive, negative, you get negative 8 times square root of 2. So how about this part? So you will get positive, positive, you get positive, which is square root of 50. Okay, last one. This one times this one. Positive, negative, you get negative. Always think about the sign first. Okay, positive, negative, you get negative. Square root of 10 times square root of 2, you will get square root of 20. This one you don't have to do expansion one by one because you know that a plus b times a minus b is actually equal to a squared minus b squared, right? We learned this before. So this one is actually equal to square root, the square of square root of 5 minus the square of square root of 2. Oh, sorry. I need to write square here. A squared minus b squared. Okay. This you will get 5 and this you will get 2, right? But you still cannot see your answer. You still cannot stop here because you don't, our question want our answer to be like this. Square root of 5, square root of 2. Now you have square root of 50, here you have square root of 20. So how do we change this one? This 2, you don't have to change anything, you just copy. 50. 50 is actually equal to 25 times 2, right? Okay, how about 20? 20 is equal to 4 times 5. This is equal to 5, and this is equal to 2. Now, square root of 25 is equal to 5. And then these two, we just copy. So, square root of 25 times 2 is equal to square root of 25 times square root of 2. This is equal to 5. And this one we just copy. This is why this will become this. Okay, do the same thing for this part. square root of 4, you get 2, and then this one you just copy. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, you get 3. Okay, so 8 times square root of 5 minus 2 times square root of 5. So you just think like this, 8x minus 2x is equal to 6x, right? So same thing, this is equal to 8 minus 2, you get 6, 6 times square root of 5. Okay, so how about this one? Negative 8 times square root of 2 plus 5 times square root of 2. You just think about this. Negative 8y plus 2y is equal to negative 6y, right? So same thing here, negative 6 times square root of 2 divided by 3. Oh, sorry, I copied the wrong thing. This is plus 5 square root of 2, so this should be 5. Negative 8y plus 5y. Negative 8y plus 5y is equal to negative 3y, right? Negative 3 times square root of 2. Okay, now divided by 3, you will get 2 times square root of 5 minus square root of 2. So the length of the other side, is equal to 2 times square root of 5 minus square root of 2 centimeters. Okay, so this is the answer for this question.